Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So kasi hinahanap namin yung buntod ng pinsan ko, yung nagpakamatay. So actually nandito ako sa sementeryo. So kasama ko yung tita ko. So guys, kanina pa kami umiikot. Hindi namin mahanap yung buntod ng pinsan ko. So guys, ayun.
Take me as you are, push me off the road. The sadness, I need this time to be.
So kahit na tapos na yung
I'm freezing in the sun. I'm burning.
pista ng patay kahapon kasi ginanap yun. So ngayon, November 2 na. So talagang marami pa rin tao. Kapo na, yun na po. Antay. So yun. So subukan natin hanapin. Actually, halos naikot na namin tong sementeryo. Dito kami sa Mangaldan Cemetery, Mangaldan, Pangasinan. Hindi, ano dyan? Ito naman dyan. Ano kayo? Baka nandyan na. O Insan Joel. Pakita ka na. Pasensya ka na at ngayon lang kita na pasyalan. Dahil ayaw ko magpagsabayan sa maraming tao. Baka lalong hindi kita mahanap.
The calmness in your face that I see through the night. The warmth of your light expressing unto us. Didn't ask me why, I never would have known.
Yung tour guide ko medyo nawala din. So, lumabas ka na, Insan Joel. Oh, finally. Sikatula. Yun, finally, Insan. Nahanap ko na rin yung puntod mo. Pasensya ka na, yun lang ako nakadala dito. Ayan, Insan to. So, siguro mga 2 oras din kami nag-ikot, no? So, halos nawala yung tita ko. Kasi siya yung nakakalam ng puntod ng pinsan ko. So, finally, nahanap din natin. At, ayun. Masaya na kami. So, yun. Hiri ka na lang. Oh, Insan, kumusta ka na? Ayan, tinirikan na namin yung kandila kasi itong pinsan ko to very artistic. So halos dito sa buong sementeryo ng Mangaldan, siya yung gumagawa ng naglilitering ng mga lapida. Di ba, ante? Manso, ito ah. Oh. So finally, Insan. Meron din pala siyang anak na namatay. Ito yung hindi ka namatay niya. Nakunan.
said goodnight.
So, ang luwang pala ng Maldan Cemetery dito sa Maldan, Pangasinan.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm on. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep in love.
Sige.
You really get me, make me fall on my knees. Every night I fall deep in love. Yeah, wait a minute, don't you leave me before I get to kissing. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can't let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just I should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah, but it's hard to keep it all straight. When you all up in my face, try to get you on my mind. But why should I when you all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep in love. Cause you really get me, make me fall on my knees. Every night I fall deep.
So mga idol, so ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito sa Maldan, Pangasinan. So ganito pala kaluwang ang sementeryo dito. So nakaka-amaze. Daming tao. Kahit natapos na yung isa ng patay. Actually, kahapon yun, November 1. So November 2 na ngayon, madami pa rin tao. So nagpasama ako sa tita ko. Say hi. So ngayon, pauwi na kami. Finally, nahanap na namin yung puntod ng pizza. So hanggang dito na lang. So hindi na lang kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin yung notification bell para maging updated kayo sa lahat ng video ko.